Hopefully I can make it look nice, but... Hi guys, on this episode, I think we're gonna have the wife come out and help us hang the door on the Bronco. And I think I'm gonna start making pieces out of some metal to plug that cut from where somebody chopped in for a radio. I think I'm just gonna delete that completely out, and we'll start working on the somebody revving up their engines out there. We're gonna start working on getting the dash ground down, fixing what we need to fix, and making it look nicer. It's a four-wheeler. They're going up and down the road next door. But yeah, today we'll set the door, see where it is. I'm probably gonna think about it a little bit more. That's what needs to happen where. And next time, make a game plan to start moving stuff around as we need to, and hopefully getting that side more square and stable. And two, we're gonna start on the dash, plugging up some holes and making it look nicer. But sit over there and I'll kind of show you what I mean by that hole. I don't know if last time you saw what I was talking about, but you can tell it was hand hacked in, as I say. But anyways, let's look at it quick. All right, let's be where all the action happens today. My wife put bolts in the hinges while I hold the door up, and then depending on how that sets, we can start seeing what we need to do, as in, you know, twisting it, bending stuff, moving stuff. Measurements I need to take from here still, and other places. That'll be next time. I'll dive more into refined fitment of the door. Today I just want to get it hung and see what it looks like, kind of look at it a little bit and see what needs to happen. But after we do that, we're gonna start cutting metal out for this and plugging this and cleaning the dash all off. Especially you want to get around this, get it all nice and down smooth. So probably take a little air tool and start cleaning this area up, especially around where the radio went. I don't think that's factory. And like I said, if I want a radio, I'll put one in one of the consoles that go between the seats. But my other thought is getting a little navigational system with a removable screen and sitting it in there, maybe. I think that might be kind of neat. But we'll work on patching that up and getting the dash cleaned off here this next week, along with this mess here. Try and get that all straightened out. I still need to run tap to the top and bottom, clean the threads. So put our bolts in there. But yeah, I'll be working on this for a little while. Hopefully we can get it squared away. But like I said, meantime we'll be cleaning off the dash, plugging holes that don't need to be there, which these are for the gauge. And I got a new gauge. That's for the window or windscreen, or what you want to call it. I believe those are for the pad. That's the ignition. And all these are different things. So I don't think there's any unnecessary holes other than the big spot where the radio went. Anyways, let's get the wife out here, get the door hung right quick, and then we'll start working on the dash. All right, we got the door somewhat hung. I need to tighten the bolts. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of hanging down a little bit, and it's not squared. So thinking that maybe door pillar needs to be back just a hair, because we're close to 39, and it may not have been 39 exactly. I think I got another measure for 39 1/8 for the opening. So next time I'm gonna write all that down and draw it out. That way I can kind of tell what needs to happen. But if y'all can give me a rough idea of what needs to go on here to make this thing work, please let me know in the comments. Like I said, it's, you know, drop down here, which I think, so I tighten up the hinges where they're supposed to be. May have to add some shims to one of these. I don't know, can't do that because I kick it that way. This whole thing needs to come up, which there is some room in the hole, so I think I can push it up. I just don't know how to bring this corner back this way. So the door may need to go like that a little bit, or the bottom portion of this rocker needs to go back a hair. But if y'all know, please let me know in the comments. I'll leave it like that for now, and we'll start working on the radio. Well, we got it tacked in. Hopefully I can make it look nice, but it's probably be our next project for next few days, getting this kind of in there and looking a lot nicer. But let's go back over to the driver's side and look at the door one more time. And next time too, we'll take another look at this. Hopefully I have my drawings done. We're kind of see what needs to happen with the door. But like I said, if y'all have any ideas or suggestions, please leave in the comments below about what you think needs to happen with this door. We'll continue on this and continue on that next time. Well, that's all I got for tonight, and I'll see you next time.